Today, Prosecutor General Lois Matanda Moyo sounded the alarm on the rampant corruption plaguing Zimbabwe. We're talking about $127 million in scandals that are shaking the nation. First, there's the $40 million Zimbabwe Electoral Commission case. Funds meant to secure our democratic process, gone. And then, an $87 million goats tender. Goat farming of all things has become a playground for the corrupt. Matanda Moyo, alongside SADC Chair Michael Razor, are making it clear, without whistleblower protection, we're fighting a losing battle. Brave individuals who expose corruption face serious risks, and without laws to shield them, corruption thrives. The message is urgent. We need protective legislation now, because without it, these scandals won't be the last. Zimbabwe's future depends on it. Our country's integrity hangs in the balance. Stay informed, Zimbabwe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS. See you next time.